The 2026 Toyota Bajaj presents itself as an interesting fusion of Toyota's engineering reliability and Bajaj's practical, budget-friendly mobility philosophy, creating a vehicle that feels both familiar and refreshingly unique. Its exterior design is compact yet confident, featuring clean body panels, a sturdy stance, and thoughtfully placed lighting elements that enhance visibility. The overall silhouette suggests a vehicle built for both urban convenience and light-duty versatility. At the front, the grille carries subtle Toyota-inspired styling cues, blended smoothly with Bajaj's minimalist aesthetic. The headlights are bright and functional, offering clear illumination during night drives or foggy conditions. The build quality feels solid, with well-finished paintwork that adds a polished look to this utilitarian vehicle. The chassis is lightweight yet durable, allowing the Toyota Bajaj to handle rough roads with surprising composure. Suspension tuning prioritizes comfort, absorbing bumps and uneven surfaces effectively while maintaining stability. Even on uneven rural paths, the ride remains balanced and controlled. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota Bajaj is powered by an efficient engine designed for low fuel consumption and easy maintenance. Acceleration is smooth rather than aggressive, making it ideal for daily commuting and short-distance travel. The transmission operates reliably, offering hassle-free gear shifts in both city traffic and open roads. The steering feels light and responsive, making maneuvering through tight streets and crowded markets effortless. Drivers will appreciate the vehicle's compact turning radius, which makes parking significantly easier than in larger cars. Visibility from the driver's seat is excellent, reducing blind spots and increasing confidence. Inside the cabin, the layout is simple yet practical, reflecting its focus on functionality over luxury. The seats are reasonably comfortable, offering adequate support for both short and moderate-length journeys. Upholstery materials feel durable, suitable for everyday use in various environments. The dashboard design is straightforward, with easy-to-read gauges and well-placed controls. Basic infotainment features are included, allowing passengers to enjoy music or navigation when needed. Overall, the interior feels user-friendly, even for first-time drivers. Space utilization inside the Toyota Bajaj is impressive given its compact size. There is enough room for passengers to sit comfortably without feeling cramped. Headroom and legroom are adequate, particularly for a vehicle in this category. Storage compartments are cleverly integrated throughout the cabin, providing convenient spaces for small personal items. The rear cargo area, while not massive, is sufficient for groceries, luggage, or work-related supplies. This makes the vehicle practical for both personal and commercial use. Fuel efficiency is one of the strongest highlights of the 2026 Toyota Bajaj, making it highly economical for daily commuters. Low running costs make it accessible to a wide range of buyers, especially those seeking affordability. This efficiency also reduces environmental impact compared to larger vehicles. On highways, the Toyota Bajaj performs steadily at moderate speeds, maintaining a stable ride. Wind resistance is manageable, and cabin noise levels remain relatively low. Long drives feel less tiring due to its comfortable driving dynamics. In urban environments, the vehicle truly shines with its compact dimensions and agility. Navigating through traffic congestion feels effortless, and parking becomes far less stressful. Its size makes it particularly suitable for densely populated cities. Safety features include basic but essential elements such as seat belts, reinforced body structure, and reliable braking systems. Brakes feel responsive and consistent, providing confidence during sudden stops. While not overly advanced, the safety setup is adequate for its intended purpose. Maintenance costs are expected to be low, thanks to Bajaj's reputation for affordability and Toyota's engineering reliability. Spare parts are likely to be widely available, making repairs convenient and budget-friendly. This adds to the vehicle's overall practicality and long-term value. The Toyota Bajaj appeals to small families, students, and business owners who need dependable transportation. Its combination of affordability, efficiency, and reliability makes it a sensible choice for many. It strikes a balance between personal comfort and professional utility. Ride comfort remains respectable, even on longer journeys, thanks to well-tuned suspension. Passengers experience minimal discomfort from road imperfections. This makes it suitable for both daily commutes and occasional road trips. The exterior ground clearance is sufficient to handle speed bumps and uneven terrain without issues. This increases its usability in rural and semi-urban areas. The sturdy design ensures durability in various driving conditions. Customization options allow buyers to personalize their Toyota Bajaj according to their preferences. From color choices to minor interior upgrades, there is room for individuality. This flexibility adds to its appeal among diverse consumers. The interior ambiance is simple and practical, avoiding unnecessary complexity. Neutral color tones create a calm and functional atmosphere. While not luxurious, the cabin feels comfortable and inviting. One limitation is that the vehicle may feel underpowered for heavy loads or steep inclines. However, for everyday use, the performance remains adequate. This trade-off is acceptable considering its focus on efficiency and affordability. Connectivity.